Welcome back to Ideal 3D Projects. Today, I have my buddy Zach with me. What's up, Zach?
Brother, how you doing, man? It's been a long time. Not too long. Good seeing you, bro.
Yeah, dude, good to see you too. I'm glad that you finally came back to the studio.
I'm pumped. I see the pad. I'm excited. I'm very excited, and I'm gonna assume I'm gonna play it.
Maybe? Yeah, totally. Do you like it?
I love it. I love the logo. I'm very impressed.
So this is the pad that we got so far. We'll kind of bring you through some of the aspects of the pad. Music really inspires me, and I'm so amazed that I was able to meet Zach and we were able to see what else that 3D printing and designing could have in store. And music really brought that out in this project. So here we go. Here we are, back in Plasticity, one of my favorite 3D modeling softwares, at this point anyways. I created this by using a bunch of different circles. If we go and look underneath of the pad here, and these look amazing, I feel, but we'll go and move this up, and underneath you can see that we inlaid this so this sits right in. We have the Zach Bratland also inlaid so that our letters can be a different color with our printer that is not a multicolored filament printer. Kira is one of my go-to slicers. I've used other slicers and I keep bouncing back to Kira. To test this, I also had to print some drumsticks. They came in a pair, it was PLA, and it was color changing. When the pad finally came off the printer, we couldn't wait to try it out.
I like it, bro. It's I wonder what kind of bounce it's got, you know what I mean?
Totally.
It's got a different rebound, you know?
Well, the cool thing,
let me warm up, you know what I mean? It probably looks like dog.
the cool thing is that like with each different infill and the thickness that I have for the availability of it, I can make it either bouncier or less bouncy with the material.
More bouncy.
More bouncy?
More bouncy.
Totally. Oh, that's so cool.
Cool. Dude, I'm so pumped this video. Okay, ready? I don't want to be too loud. Sorry for the neighbors. I just keep cooking. Come on.
Zach is amazing at drums. Down in the description, I'm gonna have his profile there. It's gonna be at Zach Bratland. Go check him out.
Idea to life, this idea I had in my head, the material. The way it bounced so normal pads that I play on, they just don't respond as well. The tack was just perfect.
Totally.
And I love how you put the logo just before the tack. So just material, whatever you did, it's better than most pads I play on.
Yeah,
the
definitely.
Response, I can't thank you enough, my friend.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you.
I heard that there's more pads coming in the future.
Yeah, definitely. So you'll all have to look out for that. More pads coming in the future. Make sure to get at Zach Bratland and check out all of his drumming. Definitely go check that out. We'll have a link in the description below. And you'll definitely be seeing more collabs from us. We have some other 3D printed gear that we want to check out with music. And so definitely check that out. And we'll catch you next time.
We'll see you.
Peace.